Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. You can see the slides very clearly. This is our 39th lecture of the series of medicinal chemistry, and today we will discuss clinical trials. Clinical trials जैसे कि वर्ड से ज़ाहिर है कि मीन्स जो भी कोई मार्केट में ड्रग आती है उसके कुछ ट्रायल्स होते हैं, उसकी कुछ टेस्टिंग होती हैं, उसके ऊपर कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट किए जाते हैं. After successful clinical trials, then new chemical compounds can become a drug molecule. अगर उसके ट्रायल सक्सेसफुल ना हों तो वो कभी भी ड्रग नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि thousands and millions of organic compounds are present in the market, but only few molecules have drug-like properties and are drug candidate. Our key concepts of today's topics are clinical trials introduction, then I will discuss clinical trial history, then Nuremberg Code, then doctor trials, then I will discuss different phases of clinical trials. Believe me, अगर आप गौर से सुनेंगे, if you will listen with full concentration, it is very easy topic of the whole course of medicinal chemistry and very easily understandable. But if you have any problem, you can ask me at the end of the lecture. We will discuss about it, but I am pretty sure there is I will explain each and everything with clarity, with full clarification. Inshallah, you will understand each and everything easily. As I have asked you that when we are going to discover and develop a drug, one drug molecules, at least it needs about 25 years for one drug molecules to come in the market, because different phases are present. There are different phases. You can see in these slides that about 3 to 6 years of basic research, in which we are going to use some 10,000 to 30,000 substances. These can be synthetic. Then we use examination and screening. Means there are different protocols in initial basic research. Actually, we start from basic to applied research. This is the basic theme of the research. When you are doing research in drug discovery and when you are going to discover new drug molecules, you always start from basic, then move towards the applied. Basic research में 3 से 6 साल लगते हैं. About 3 to 6 years are needed, in which we screen randomly and we find out few substances, like 10 to 20 substances, and this is the pre-clinical testing. हम जो pre-clinical testing इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इसमें pre-clinical में there comes toxicology, cytotoxicity, in vivo study, and in which we use some animal model like pigs, rats, and guinea pigs, a lot of other animals in the animal house. The drug which is active against a specific disease, then we develop a disease model in the animals of our choice. We make different groups and we give different doses, and we on the daily basis we test their blood test and some other tests, so that we can see that the compound which is going to be drug should be safe and most effective. अब ये इतना जो बिग प्रोसेस है, इसकी ज़रूरत क्या है? The need is that we want to develop a very safe drug and effective drug. Then This phase of preclinical test and clinical testing take 5 to 10 years. 5 to 10 years. It is a big. Here comes phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. When a substance completed the phase 3 human testing, then the preclinical and clinical trials end over there, and then product comes in the market and phase 4 clinical trial started, in which it takes about 1 to 2 years of registration and then introduction and then marketing of a drug in the market. uh, Means in this slide you can see that from 30,000 substances only one candidate can become a drug molecule. That is why developing a drug is a long journey process. It takes long time. This is the slides of clinical trials. Means when we are doing some clinical trials on specific compounds, we do lab studies of several years, preclinical trials. From preclinical trials, we do comparison of the chemical entities. मीन्स वो जो केमिकल सब्सटेंस हैं, वो जो कंपाउंड हैं जिनकी लैब स्टडी हो रही थी प्री क्लिनिकल्स में, उनसे जो अच्छे हैं, देन वी मूव टुवर्ड्स ह्यूमन सेफ्टी. मीन्स उसमें वी कीप इन माइंड कि हमने उसकी साइटॉक्सिटी चेक करनी है, टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट चेक करना है, साइड इफेक्ट्स, a lot of other things which are related to human health we investigate in phase 1. Then we move toward the phase 1, phase 2, then expanded safety, weeks or month. It takes weeks or month. Hundreds of people are needed. Usually in the next slide you will see that the phases consist of different phases. Phase 1, 2, 3 means healthy individual. Then from healthy individual we move towards the child, we move towards the pregnant women, we move towards the, then we move towards the small hospital, then we move towards the big hospital. This is actually the protocol for the development of a drug. Then efficacy and safety, it takes several years. Here thousands of the persons, of the patients are observed. This is called bioinformatics. Means in which we do some testing. Means हमने डेटा इकट्ठा करते हैं, we do collect the data. सिंपल एक एग्जांपल ले लें पैरास्टामोल की, और सिंपल कोई भी एंटीबायोटिक विच कम इन द मार्केट, एंड यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड, आप भी डेली रूटीन पे देखते रहते हैं इन द हॉस्पिटल्स, वाइल इन द मेडिकल स्टोर, सम a lot of drugs are not coming nowadays, has become banned by the FDA. There is a federal drug testing agency, FDA. वो क्या करते हैं, वो उनको बैन कर देते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ देयर severe side effect. That is why it takes several years. This is phase 3 stages of clinical trials. Then there are the phase of clinical trials, discovery science, studies in the lab, studies in the animal model. Then phase 0, first study in a patient to see how to the body metabolize the drug. Then phase 2, study of the small number of patients to evaluate safety and dosing. Then phase 2, study of more patients to assess drug effectiveness and further evaluate safety. And then phase 3, the study with the largest number of patients to confirm drug is effective and safe, assess side effects and compare. As I have asked you that we do a lot in our clinical. What is the meaning of clinical trials? Clinical trial is a systematic investigation in a human subject for evaluating the safety and efficacy of any new drug. Usually The meaning of clinical trial is that clinical trial is a systematic investigation in human subject for evaluating the safety and efficacy of any new drug. Clinical trials are set of tests in medical research and drug development that generate safety and efficacy data for health intervention in the human beings. This is the comprehensive introduction of clinical trials. That actually clinical trial is a set of tests in medical research and drug development that generate safety and efficacy data for health intervention in human beings. Then what are clinical trials? Means research studies involving people. ये जो clinical trials का मतलब है, that it is a full length research which involve people try to answer scientific questions and find better ways to prevent, diagnose or treat diseases, translate results of basic scientific research into better ways to prevent, diagnose or treat diseases. This is the meaning of clinical trials, that we are going to translate the result of some basic scientific research into better way to prevent, diagnose or treat the complex diseases. This is the timeline, history of clinical trials timeline, in which from when they were started in 605 BC to 1986 AD, and then 605 to 562 BC, the first clinical trial was carried out by King Nebuchadnezzar II. In 1537, it was by chance surgeon Ambrose Pierre who did the clinical trials. It is the first study which is being done by a king, Nebuchadnezzar, and then Ambrose Pierre. What is Nuremberg Code? Nuremberg Code. There are 10 points of this code. Volunteer human consent is essential. अगर आप ह्यूमन पे काम करें तो उससे कंसेंट लेंगे, भाई उसकी मर्जी है या नहीं. अब हम ज़बरदस्ती किसी को कोई चीज़ नहीं खिला पिला सकते, उससे पहले कंसेंट लेंगे, उससे साइन करवाएंगे, भाई कुछ हो गया तो यू आर सेल्फ रिस्पॉन्सिबल. देन एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिजल्ट्स शुड रिजल्ट इन गुड फॉर सोसाइटी. हम रिजल्ट्स देखते हैं एक्सपेरिमेंटल के, सोसाइटी के लिए अच्छे या नहीं है. देन एंटीसिपेटेड रिजल्ट शुड जस्टिफाई द एक्सपेरिमेंट. जो सम टाइम एंटीसिपेटेड रिजल्ट्स भी होते हैं जो एक्सपेरिमेंट को जस्टिफाई करते हैं. अवॉइड ऑल अननेसेसरी फिजिकल एंड मेंटल सफरिंग. ये भी देखना होता है कि कोई भी ड्रग है कि वो बाकी फिजिकल और मेंटल चीज़ों को तो ख़राब नहीं कर रही. नो एक्सपेरिमेंट इफ देयर इज़ अ चांस ऑफ डेथ डिसेबिलिटी, कि अगर चांस है कि इसको देने से डेथ या डिसेबिलिटी होगी, देयर इज नो नीड टू गिव. मिनिमम रिस्क ऑफ सब्जेक्ट का ख्याल करना है. प्रॉपर प्रिपरेशन एंड फैसिलिटीज़ टू प्रोटेक्ट सब्जेक्ट्स. ये वही मुन्ना भाई वाला सब्जेक्ट है. आप लोगों ने मुन्ना भाई देखा कि सब्जेक्ट ना बोल सकता है ना देख सकता है, तो ये वही सब्जेक्ट है, मतलब परेशान नहीं होना. प्रॉपर प्रिपरेशन एंड फैसिलिटीज़ टू प्रोटेक्ट सब्जेक्ट्स. Experiment conducted only by qualified persons. Subject can withdraw at any time. Terminate experiment if results are known or with best judgment. These are some points which are very important for drug discovery. Then there come doctor trials. A lot of doctors get together in the USA, the medical case USA, the doctor trials in 1946-1947. पता है ये कौन सा पीरियड है 1946-1947 वाला? ये वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 वाला पीरियड है, 2 के बाद वाला. 1939 से 45 तक वर्ल्ड वॉर रही है, उसके बाद उन्होंने मेडिकल ट्रायल शुरू कर दिए. 23 जर्मन डॉक्टर्स एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स एक्यूज्ड. वार क्राइम्स एंड क्राइम्स अगेंस्ट ह्यूमैनिटी, क्योंकि वो जंग का ज़माना था, वहाँ पे जो ह्यूमैनिटी के साथ जो कुछ किया गया, medical experiments and medical procedures on prisoners and civilians. Then they have adopted a set of experiment and medical procedure on prisoners जो कैदी थे, जंगी कैदी थे, and civilians. 12 series of medical experiments concerning, तकरीबन 12 सीरीज मेडिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स की उन्होंने शुरू कर दी. टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या था? emerge the Nuremberg Code, basic principle to be observed when conducting research involving human subjects. जो हम रिसर्च कर रहे हैं कि जो बेसिक प्रिंसिपल टू बी ऑब्जर्व व्हेन कंडक्टिंग रिसर्च इन्वॉल्विंग ह्यूमन सब्जेक्ट, व्हेन ह्यूमन सब्जेक्ट्स आर इन्वॉल्व, देन वी ऑब्जर्व द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स because the safety, efficacy and human health is very important. To save the life, it is very important to avoid the death. Subsequently form the basis for international guideline on medical research such as the Declaration of Helsinki. Declaration of Helsinki. ये हेलसिंकी भी एक साइंटिस्ट था, उसने कुछ अपने मतलब पॉइंट्स पेश किए क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स के लिए. ड्रग डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस, इन्वेस्टिगेशन, न्यू ड्रग, IND, प्री क्लिनिकल स्टडीज, एनिमल स्टडीज, US FDA, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका फेडरल ड्रग एजेंसी आस्क फॉर डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ ड्रग, केमिस्ट्री, प्री क्लिनिकल इंफॉर्मेशन, एनी प्रीवियस ह्यूमन स्टडी, investigators brochure, clinical development plan, protocol and investigator submission for first phase 1. Sorry, means these are the some points which are being observed at FDA. FDA is present in USA, United States of America. They are holding whole the world, but India has also some its agency for controlling the drug for new chemical entities. India हमसे आगे है थोड़ा सा. Description of drug, chemistry, preclinical information, any previous human study, investigator brochure, clinical development plan, protocol and investigator submission for first phase 1. There are different phases of clinical trials. As I have discussed, in phase 1 trials, small group of healthy people are involved, about 20 to 50 people are involved. The first time to evaluate its safety, determine a safe dosage range, कि हमने सेफ्टी को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए एक सेफ डोज का इंतखाब करना होता है. In phase 2 trials, group of patients about 100 to 300 effective and evaluated safety. In phase 3 trials, large group of patients about 1000 to 3000 effectiveness, monitor side effects, compare it to commonly used treatments and used safely. In phase 4 clinical trials, post marketing studies, drug risk, benefits and optimal usage. These are the 4 phases which are being observed, which is going to be implemented on the new chemical entity which is going to become a drug molecule. Because in phase 4 post marketing studies, you have seen the market, a lot of medical rep are over there. आपके बहुत से कुलीग अभी भी काम कर रहे होंगे, वो डेली बेसिस पे ड्रग को जाके उसकी मार्केटिंग करते हैं कि ये बहुत अच्छी है, इसके साइड इफ़ेक्ट कम हैं, भाई सर दर्द जल्दी ठीक हो जाता है, ये बला बला बला, डॉक्टर को पता नहीं क्या कुछ कहते हैं. बट in big hospitals and in research centers, because some hospitals have research centers, what they do the bioinformatics. Bioinformatics, they collect the data of patients who are taking the drug. If अगर आप उसमें देखें कि अगर किसी ने 100 पेशेंट में से अगर मोर देन 50% ने कंप्लेन किए कि ड्रग जो है ना causing some health hazard like headache, nausea, vomiting, Then the FDA think about it that what should be done with this drug. Then at this time they stop the marketing of the drug and they ban the drug, that any pharmaceutical company will not manufacture such type of chemical agents, chemical such type of drug which is uh, harmful for human health. This is the phase 4 trials. It takes years because one drugs come in the market about, according to me, means after a big earning it stops, but usually मतलब चलती रहती हैं, कभी बंद नहीं होती हैं, बहुत कम होती हैं जो बंद हो जाती हैं. Phase of clinical trials: exploratory clinical trials, proof of concept, phase 0, phase 1, phase 2. This is the developmental clinical trials, pre-marketing phase of clinical drug development, and then definitive clinical trials, pivotal, which is phase 3 and phase 4. This is the post-marketing phase. The question can be asked you कि प्री मार्केटिंग फेज कौन सी हैं और पोस्ट मार्केटिंग फेज कौन सी हैं. Then you can, from this slide you can give answer that phase 0, 2, 1 and 2 are pre-marketing phases, and phase 3 and phase 4 are post-marketing phases, because here a lot of studies are done by using bioinformatics on a chemical compound, on the drug like molecule. Drug development process: preclinical, initial synthesis. IND means what is the meaning of IND? IND means investigational new drug application. IND mean investigational new drug application. Initial synthesis, then animal testing. This is the phase 1 clinical, phase 2 sorry, phase 3, then NDA new drug application review process, then treatment started, and then post marketing adverse reactions reporting, then surveys, sampling, testing, then inspections. It takes long time. The initial synthesis and animal testing takes 1 to 3 years, average 8 months. FDA time 30 days. Safety review: FDA takes about 30 days for the safety of the investigational new drug application. Then phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 takes about 2 to 10 years, average 5 years, and new drug application submitted to the FDA. About FDA takes about 2 months to 7 years, average 2 years for the approval. Because drug approval is very important by the FDA, average of the approximately 100 months from initial synthesis to approval of NDA new drug applications, mean it takes 100 months. आप ये देखें कितने साल हो जाएंगे इसमें, एटलीस्ट 10 से 12 साल आज का लग जाते हैं. इससे पहले तो 25 साल लगते थे, बट नाउ डेज टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से, क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत फास्ट है, दैट इज़ वाई द सिस्टम इज़ वेरी फास्ट, and that is why it takes about 100 months from initial synthesis to approval of NDA. ड्रग रिव्यू की बात करें, बिफोर वन कैन इनिशिएट टेस्टिंग इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एक्सटेंसिव प्री क्लिनिकल लेबोरेटरी रिसर्च इज रिक्वायर्ड. कि कोई भी पहले इंसानों के ऊपर टेस्ट करें बिफोर गोइंग टू इम्प्लाई द drug on the human beings. It is very important to do extensive preclinical or laboratory research. Research usually involves years of experiments in animal and human cells. Research usually involves years of experiment in animal and human cells. If this stage of testing is successful, the sponsor then provide this data to the FDA requesting approval to begin testing in humans. This is called an investigational new drug, IND, investigational new drug application, IND. This application is put to the FDA and FDA takes time to investigate all the necessary data and all the testing, both in vitro, in vivo, preclinical and clinical, and then human testing. Then they do their work for the approval of the drug. This is called an investigational new drug application. Preclinical evaluation phase animal studies, pharmacodynamic studies in vivo in animals, in vitro preparation, absorption, distribution, elimination studies, pharmacokinetics, acute, subacute, chronic toxicity studies, toxicity profile, therapeutic index, safety and efficacy. This is very important terminology in drug discovery. Therapeutic index कि इसमें जो इफेक्टिव डोज और लीथल डोज है वो बहुत करीब करीब होती हैं. मीन्स अगर 400 mg की आगे एक ड्रग है, अगर उसकी बॉडी में जो उसकी टॉलरेंस है 400 mg है, अगर आप उससे बढ़ा देंगे तो बॉडी के लिए एडवर्स इफेक्ट क्रिएट करेगी, लेकिन अगर उससे वो कम कर देंगे तो वो उस डिजीज़ के खिलाफ असर ही नहीं करेगी. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द थेरेप्यूटिक इंडेक्स. मीन्स ऑप्टिमम जो परसेंटेज है, मीन्स जो मिलीग्राम्स हैं, 100 mg है या 1 ग्राम है, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. डोज, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड डोज डिपेंडेंट रिस्पांस. कुछ जो है ना देखें ड्रग हैं दिन में एक दफ़ा देनी पड़ती हैं, कुछ 3 टाइम है, कुछ 2 टाइम हैं. इसी तरह जो कुछ एंटीवायरल हैं, कोई उनका कभी 11 दिन के बाद इंजेक्शन लगता है तो उसका असर रहता है. तो ये उनके थेरेप्यूटिक इंडेक्स होती है हर ड्रग की. प्री फेज 1, अ प्री क्लिनिकल डेटा रिव्यू ड्रग डिस्कवरी टीम, एफिकेसी, सेफ्टी, फार्माकोलॉजी, टॉक्सिकोलॉजी, absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion ADME, preparation of investigator brochure, summaries of preclinical data with clinical extrapolation, prediction of clinical effects and safety, filing of investigational new drug application with DCGI, filing of investigational new drug application with DCGI. These are the phase of clinical trials. These are phase 1 as early phase, investigation new drug which is come the market, then human pharmacology is involved in phase 1. In phase 2 therapeutic exploratory, and then phase 3 therapeutic confirmatory, then new drug application which is going to be put in to the FDA for approval. This is the post marketing phase. अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए विच इज़ द पोस्ट मार्केटिंग फेज, तो फेज़ 3 और फेज़ 4 ज़्यादा आती हैं. अगर वो फेज़ 3 नहीं कर रहा और फेज़ 4 आए तो फेज़ 4 इज़ द पोस्ट मार्केटिंग फेज. दिस द थेरेप्यूटिक यूजेस. कंपाउंड सक्सेस रेट बाय स्टेज 5,000 to 10,000 screened, 250 enter preclinical testing, 5 enter in clinical testing and 1 FDA approval. अब ये देखें 10,000 में से फ्रॉम 10,000 only 1 compound is going to be submitted to the FDA for approval, because on some stages compounds are being rejected due to their cytotoxic effect. क्योंकि सीरीज ऑफ कंपाउंड होती है, डिफरेंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप लगे होते हैं, तो हर ड्रग का अपना एक इफेक्ट होता है, हर कंपाउंड्स का अपना इफेक्ट होता है. हर एक का जो स्ट्रक्चर एनालॉग है ऑन द बेस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर एक्टिविटी रिलेशनशिप, जो हम स्टडी आपने पढ़ा होगा स्ट्रक्चर एक्टिविटी रिलेशनशिप. तो जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स हैं, फार्माकोफोर्स हैं, वो प्ले इंपॉर्टेंट रोल कि बाज़ औक़ात वो फंक्शनल ग्रुप लगाने से उसकी एफिकेसी बढ़ जाती है, एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाती है, बाज़ औक़ात उसको हटाने से उसकी एफिकेसी या एफिशिएंसी कम हो जाती है. तो डिपेंड करता है. इसलिए ये जो 250 एंट्रीज़ हैं प्री क्लिनिकल टेस्टिंग में, इनका क्या होता है कि ये मूव फॉर द 5 enter the clinical testing. From 250 only 5 are, because other 245 are being rejected at some stages, like in vivo studies, cytotoxic studies and other. That is why from 5 out of 5 only 1 drug FDA approval, only 1 molecule is going to be sent to the FDA for the approval. These are the phase of clinical trials. in which phase 1, phase 3, 2, phase 3 and phase 4. These are preclinical and these are post-clinical. This is the pre-marketing and this is the post-marketing phases. This is a very comprehensive diagram in which you can see that the preclinical, lab and normal studies. This is the preclinical. Phase 1 safety study of 20 to 80 people and 100 people sometimes. Phase 2 safety study, identify side effects, measures effectiveness 100 to 300 people. And phase 3 measure effectiveness, monitor side effects 1000 to 3000 people. And phase 4 monitor long term side effects. ये फेज 4 है. अब देखें ये जितना हमने पढ़ा क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स में, ये जस्ट मैंने एक सिंपल सा ओवरव्यू दिया है, जस्ट सिंपल. बट फॉर न्यू ड्रग मॉलिक्यूल्स इट टेक्स लॉन्ग टाइम एंड देयर इज one complete lecture on phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4 because preclinical is the study कि जो हम पहले काम कर रहे हैं, जो बेसिक रिसर्च करें वो प्री क्लिनिकल है. हम क्लिनिक में तो नहीं गए. क्लिनिक का मतलब ये है कि जब क्लिनिकल ट्रायल करते हैं उसमें ऊपर सारे के सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं. तो दिस वाज होल अबाउट द क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स एंड इंशाल्लाह वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर about the phases. If you have any question you can ask me. I am here to give you answer. Allah Hafiz.